most endangered animal there?
One of the most endangered animal will be the jaguar, because they require big areas. So that's why the protected areas like Children's Eternal Rainforest are very important for those kind of animals. If they get seen very easily by people around the communities, some of those people probably will kill the animal, because they are afraid that this animal will kill their cows or their animals at the farm, right? So that's the problem when we, as people in the community, take the forest out, we cut the trees and we clear the area for other economic activities, so there is no room for animals. We have a big collection of footprints of animals in the forest. So our rangers in the Children's Eternal Rainforest were doing that for a long time, but we never had a jaguar footprint. One of our members went out at night to set this motion-sensitive camera. They just took a walk around the trails, and when he came back, picked up the camera and came to check on his computer what he got. And it was very surprising that we got this video